Alright, welcome back, guys. This is Travis with TII, the ELD specialist. The previous video I showed you how to pair your device, your TND740 with your DC200. So that's just the basic intro and how to get it paired. Now we're going to go into the installation process of this. So first you want to make sure that your Wi-Fi is good and your Bluetooth is good. Go ahead and click on these screens if you need to double check them. Make sure that it says on and that you're connected to your outside source of Wi-Fi. And then check the Bluetooth. Make sure that it's on and that you're connected to DC200. Alright? Let's show that there for you. So it shows that it's paired. And that's pretty solid. So now we're going to go to the next step of getting your credentials in and getting this installed once and for all. So click on this bottom this bottom strip here, Driver Connect ELD service. Now you don't want to go to sign up. You're going to want to go to login. That's going to be the step that we want to go to for the installation process. This is going to be for something else. I've never had to wander that direction, but I know a lot of you out there, if you have tried it, it's just going to take you down a path that you can't really get around. So just go into login, click on that, and I'm going to go ahead and enter my default information. You guys should already have this written down somewhere. If you don't, reach out to one of us and we'd be happy to set it up for you. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and I will be right back. Okay, so I have plugged in all of my information on the screen. And welcome back. I'm going to go ahead and press login on here. It's going to give you a quick message. Just read it over, press continue. Alright, so we're in good shape. Now we just need to check for updates. Make sure that everything is good. You're going to get prompted for updates available. Perfect, so let's go ahead and install all updates. And make sure you guys are keeping your device up to date as much as possible. That way it's running smooth for you. And in the meantime, it's going to go ahead and download. You're going to see this little bar here kind of moving around. Just be patient with it, and sure enough, it'll update everything for you. I'll show you the next screen once we're done with the updates. Perfect. So update successful. Big check mark right there. Perfect. Now we just need to go back. Several ways you can do that. Just go ahead and go back. Alright, so we're not done with the process, obviously. The light is still blinking. It's not a solid green yet. So once we're done with the process, it will turn solid green, like I said. So we just need to finish up the process. Let's go ahead and do Driver Connect ELD service. And it's going to prompt me again for login. That's okay. I'm just going to enter in all this information once again. And thankfully I have it written down. Alright, and we are back. Go to login. Already signed in from another device, yada yada. Alright, press continue. Okay, so now it takes you to this screen. This is definitely what we want to see because we're moving forward here. So go to setup device. Alright, allow Driver Connect to access the device's location. Allow, yes. Now this is the part where we're going to want to connect to our DC200 for Wi-Fi. This is that part where I was telling you about, where we're going to transition from the outside Wi-Fi and we're going to go to the DC200's Wi-Fi. So go ahead and click on the DC200. You're going to see everything kind of doing its check. Calibrating, perfect. Alright, so it looks like we're connected to the DC200. Go ahead and press the blue square for the continue button. Now fill out all this information as best as you can. It's going to ask for trailer number, tractor number, date and time. It's going to give you your rule set at the top here. That should be correct. And it's going to go over your default driver's license information for me, but for you it should be all correct in there. So we are done. Let's get started. And okay, hours of certification is pending, this and that. So my screen, it's going to be a little bit different from what you guys see, but we are installed. As you can see, the green light is solid. Took us to our dashboard, and we are good to go from here. So we are basically installed and ready to go. Tune back in for any further information on how to use the device. The next couple of videos, I'm going to show you how to go into personal conveyance, yard moves, how to edit your logbook, and how to do a pre-trip and post-trip. So stay tuned for the next video, and I will be back with that one shortly. Thanks for tuning in, guys.